I just want to do a quick video on showing how to change the hard drives in the 3 different models. We've got a 60 gig fatty, an 80 gig fatty and a slimmy. So it's just basically changing the hard drives over. I only use 2 screwdrivers. You only really need one, Phillips head, because I've got no fingernails. I have to use another one. Pretty much on the bottom of them, all of them, on the fatty models, it's always in the same spot, you can't miss it. Here and here. The slimmy's a little bit different where the hard drive is. It's actually at the front. It's a little bit hard to see, but it's at the front there. We'll get to that one. This one, this is the 60. So this is my 60 that's got my SSD drive in, so you just pop open that little thing. Now I've already loosened the blue screw, but that's the blue screw they all talk about that can cause you problems. So I've already loosened it. And as they say, be careful with it, because you don't want to strip it, because then it becomes very difficult to get out like that. Right, so with the 60, it's got a little hooky thing. It slides from the left to the right to be pulled out. So just, there you go. That's how easy it is to take them out. Like, it's no big drama. It's just an enclosure similar to a PC one. I'm not going to take this one out because I'm not changing it, but 4 screws on the enclosure, and that's pretty much it. You put the new one in, and so just push it in and then just slide it left till it clicks into place. It doesn't even click, it just does the connection, and that's it. You know when you've got it right because the little hole will be there, and that's it. So if you were changing it, that's how easy it would be. So it's I don't think it's a big hassle. And that's it. The 80 gig is a little bit different with the way the setup is. This is BB's 80 gig, by the way. I'm actually changing her hard drive to a 500 gig one today. It pops out, a little bit different. Same thing, the blue screw. But as you can see, there's no little hooky thing or whatever that was on the 60 gig. This one, it actually goes straight in. This is the same as some 40 gig models, but most of the 40s that I've seen are similar to the 60 gig, and then before they went to 80 they became like this, so it goes straight in and out. It's a little bit different, but I find that way it's heaps easier. So this one I will be changing over. I'll be taking the 500 gig out of my slimmy because I bought a new one, a faster RPM one. That's it, so I'm not going to do that now, but that's all I'll be doing with that one. Now the slimmy models, those that have got them, a little bit more complex. I'll actually sit this one up. Just getting this off can be a bit of a hassle. I had to stop then, the batteries ran out on the camera. So the 60, sit it up. So this is the 120. It's at the front panel, so there's a little thing you slide off. I don't attach the screw to that anymore. The blue screw on this one is actually, there's a little panel underneath. You've got to flick open. Just try and do it carefully. It's actually, you can see, the light's very good. It's in there, so it's actually not part of the thing. See this? And I always make sure I never do these that tight, so that later on, when you come to doing this or whatever you're up to, makes it a lot easier. And the blue screw on the slimmy ones, it's heaps bigger than the other ones. The other ones are pretty tiny, but the one on the slimmy is a lot bigger. Same thing again, it fits in a cradle. And this one's just pulled straight out. That's it. So I'm changing out my Scorpio blue for a Scorpio black. Meant to be faster, don't know. Anyway, so I'll just change the enclosure, put it back in and close it up, and then all you do to install the software is have the latest version, and that's it. It does a format and away you go. And if you're worried about losing your old stuff, it's as easy as just putting the old one back in and it'll just start up like normal. That's it.